From the dawn of times, apples have inspired human history. There was first the Bible with Adam and Eve. Then came Walt Disney with Snow White. And even the Swiss followed with Wilhelm Tell. And finally, the physicists with... So once upon a time, Sir Newton was taking a nap in his garden when all of a sudden he was awoken by the fall of an apple. Oh my Jupiter! This apple seems to be attracted by the Earth. Now the truly genius thing was to deduce a universal law from that. Namely, that all the bodies of the universe are attracting each other with a force that's proportional to the quantity of matter they possess. In other words, the entire universe is falling. Yes, you, madam, me, all of us. The only difference is that the floor is preventing your fall. So the upper parts of your body are pushing towards your feet and on that weight scale. And this is how you feel this heaviness, which is your weight. But just imagine that the floor would disappear. You would suddenly feel free of your body, and the weight scale would indicate you would be in weightlessness. Now let's come back to our story. Newton falls asleep again and makes a dream. He imagines himself miniaturized inside the apple and falling with it. So inside the apple, Newton, he's flying, he's free, he's in weightless. Not quite, actually, because he had forgotten about the resistance of the air, which is causing a force from the apple to his feet, which makes a smelly apple juice. So, to avoid this inconvenience, my friends and I have replaced the apple by an airplane. An airplane that throws itself in the sky with just a minimal thrust to compensate for air resistance, allowing us to really enjoy weightlessness for the sake of science during about 20 seconds. And here, we need to put full thrust back if we want to save our experiment. Because the advantage of the airplane is that you can repeat this as many times as you want. And because it's not your stomach we want to test, you even get free drugs. So in case you don't know, these parabolic flights will be open soon for the public as well in Switzerland. So if you have the chance, get up on board. But don't forget the safety rules. No fondue the night before.